Working for yourself forces you to think about money very differently. And in this video, I want to share what's changed for me and just how I manage my money now. First, let's get into the shift. So, money isn't just income anymore, it's something I have to manage on purpose. And if you don't manage it intentionally, things can get bad pretty quick. Something I'm real big on is I give my money a job. It was someone I heard before on a video. He said, always give your money an assignment, and that stuck with me. So, all my business income goes in my business banking. I use Found Business Banking. I absolutely love them. And it just makes everything easier when it comes to managing my finances. And if you want to check them out, I have a referral link in the video description. All my business income goes in this account, and I have these like sinking funds or like mini savings. And Found calls them pockets, so different pockets that you can put your money in. So I have my primary, that's where all my business income comes in. Then I have my taxes, so I have that automatically deducted. And with Found, you can change the percentage that you want to deduct, and it'll automatically deduct that every time I get business income. I also have my emergency business savings. I haven't had to use this since I've been self employed, but it just gives me peace of mind. If I have a low business month, I could just tap into this. I have a reinvesting pocket. This one is specifically for Amazon. This is something that I invest in with my Amazon business every single month to keep that growing. And then my last two are business education and then other business investing. And then also, of course, I'm saving money, then I'm investing in my retirement. I usually do those things first when I get paid, and then I pay myself like a paycheck every month. Next, I want to talk about how this has changed how I spend money because honestly, it's completely changed. So, the first thing that's been a huge shift for me is I think before I buy stuff. I would never do this in the past. If I wanted something, I would just get it. Now I'm very intentional about what I spend my money on, and I'm usually planning way in advance for things that I want to spend money on. Also, I don't inflate my lifestyle when my income goes up. In the past, when I would get extra money, I would just spend it recklessly. Now, when my income goes up, I'm usually investing in retirement more, putting more in my savings, maybe putting more in my sinking funds. And I'm also reinvesting probably most of the money that I make, I'm reinvesting that into my business. And my last point, I want to share just like why this stuff matters to me so much. So, handling my money this way, it gives me peace of mind, and I don't feel that pressure that I used to have when it comes to money. And also, and this is probably the most important, I feel way more in control of my finances. I know exactly what my numbers are. I know where that money is going, and I have a plan, and I love the way that that makes me feel. And this video isn't advice, this is just how I manage my money as a self employed creator.